Welcome, today I'm with Realme C11 2021 and I'll show you how to install tempered glass in this phone. So at the first you have to prepare the good source of light to see all mess that you have on the screen. As you can see, I can find here a few pieces of the dust, greasy marks and also the fingerprints. So we have to remove them. Let's open the box with the tempered glass. And inside you will find these two wipes. We are going to start with the wet one. So let's open it like that. And then make these moves and a circle. And as you can see, after a few moves, we clean our screen. So we can open the dry wipe right now. And we have to remove this wet marks from our display. Okay, and right now when it's finished, we have to finally grab this glass, remove this sticker. Do it slowly. Okay, and right now we have to put this glass on our display, so we have to keep holding the bottom part. And let's try to put it evenly for both sides. Okay, I think that in my case everything looks really good. Oh, let me just correct. Yeah, right now it looks definitely better. So we have to press with our finger right here in the middle when we are sure that everything is alright, and then we have to put the bottom part. And then we can press right here. And take a look. It will go automatically. And as you can see, that goes very well. So we can remove this marks from the tempered glass. Okay, and as you can see right now, the installation process is finished. Right now we can use our phone and there is no any problem with the touch interaction, as you can see. So you can easily install this protection on your phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.